I've accidentally unrecorded, so this is part 2. Me cleaning. Anyways, as I was saying, this is the swamp of stuffed animals, and we're gonna be cleaning that out. Let's go. Make sure you check out part 1. It's like 15 minutes long. This is where we're gonna be finishing up and adding some decor. I'll show you guys when this is done. Bye. Finish this section. I will admit I did do some things. I put some things under the bed. We're not gonna go under there though. I put on my game socks. And now we're ready to roll because I don't want you guys seeing my feet anymore. It's nasty. So now that we finished this area, we're gonna have to make the bed. And if you don't know what it's like making the bed for me. It's not like I'm making my bed. It's hard. I have like so much stuffed animals, and it takes years for me to make the bed. So let's do it. We're going to make the bed, and then we're gonna go from there. I think we might start adding decor, and then we're gonna sweep, and then we're gonna do all this stuff, fun stuff. Let's go. If you like cleaning, you should have came to my house. JK, please don't come to my house. Okay. Sit you on my little gymnastics mat. And now we're gonna make the bed, and then we're gonna go from there. So yeah. It's raining outside, so the rain feels really sad. I even have a hanger. I've never hanger. I bet it was together. That's looking from now currently. Cool for me to be able to do turns and like all that kind of stuff in my room. And now someone my bed made. I knew that was going to happen. If I make my bed, I read to you online. I usually never make my bed because this takes years of courage and strength. I'm gonna count how many steps it is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 16, 17, So this is about like making stuffies on my bed. Let me show you this. This is what you